Nazzano Tevere-Farfa Nature Reserve was established in 1979, so this year it has its 40th birthday. It was the first protected area of the Lazio region, and it was established on a piece of River Tiber, where the river is stopped by a dam, by an artificial dam built in 1950, and the river makes some kind of wetland, so the area around is a little bit flooded. And close to the area, there is a junction of another river called Farfa. So the River Tiber, the main river, and the River Farfa, a secondary river. In these areas stand very important environments and habitats connected to wildlife and to mainly wetland animals and plants. So the area is very important also for birds, for water birds. And during these 40 years, Nature Reserve was able to build several hiking trails and nature trails, and to have also a very nice and interesting visitor center where the seat is. And we can say that in the area north of Rome, Nature Reserve works a little bit in connection with the Museum of the River, which is in the village of Nazzano, where the Nature Reserve is just below. Works a little bit like a very important tourist destination, mainly for Romans, for people coming from the city of Rome who like to stay here, to have a walk along the river, not in summer because it's too hot, but maybe in autumn, winter, and spring. And many classrooms and class groups and school groups come also because they have the visit of Nature Reserve and together the visit of the Museum of the River, which is in Nazzano. So a small place, the Nature Reserve is only 700 hectares, but with a very, very important function of protection of this very, very fragile and important natural environment.